Hey guys, Brian with VetteSource checking in tonight. This evening what I'm going to do is feature a set of Z06, C5 Z06 and 2001 and 2004 front bumper inserts in the front bumper area that go on either side of the license plate. These are where the inlet's at, where your fog lamps normally would go, or your brake cooling ducts go actually behind these. These are Z06 specific with the screen intact here, and these bolt into place. These are factory OEM units, 1042 4820 for the right hand, 1042 4821 for the left hand side. This unit itself, these two pieces are actually in pretty much brand new condition. You can see compared to the aftermarkets, these bolt into place with 7mm nuts that go into the bumper. They do not come out unless you unbolt them, unlike the aftermarkets are used double-sided tape to stick them in there, so they're fairly cheap. You can see there's a GM part number if it'll focus in on it, which it probably will not. But they're made out of plastic with a steel screen, with a liner here in the front. These are both in really, really good shape. Usually these deteriorate pretty quickly, and unfortunately they're quite expensive, new at the dealer. So it's a little bit harder to find them in the wild, used in good condition like this. So these are in good shape, ready to install on your Z06 or fixed roof coupe, or even your coupe maybe that you want to upgrade and make it look like a Z06. I've got these available here for sale. So if you've got any questions or would be interested in purchasing them, you can call me. My name is Brian, VetteSource, 832-654-7367. You can call me anytime, day or night. And I've got these available in my inventory. And if you got any questions or any comments, please let me know below. And we'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Thanks again for checking in, guys. See you then.